welcome to Luxe DIY. In today's video, we're going to be making Mother's Day Rose Petal Soaps. And you can find a nice little dish to put these in. This we actually got from the Dollar Tree and we just glued it together with E6000 glue. But they're nice for one single use in a guest bathroom or however you want to put them. There's like different shapes here. And the flowers that we used, we got from Michael's. And they were actually like $20 for a bunch, which is a little bit pricey, but we did want a really nice rose to work with for our project so that they can turn out like these. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more future videos, and let's begin. For my materials, I have some clear glycerin soap that I bought from Michael's. It's about $10.99 and you can use a 40% off coupon. I also bought these roses from Michael's for $20 and then I cut them apart for the rose petals. Now you're going to want to microwave your soap for about 2 minutes. You may need additional time, but just keep an eye on it. And the fragrance that we're using here is a gardenia flower. It's not rose, but it's just a similar flower fragrance. Now I'm going to go ahead and lightly dip the rose petals, and I have the clip on it here with 2 holes, and I'll put a bamboo skewer through that and just prop it up on this basket here. I will now dip the rose petals a second time just to create a thicker layer on top of it. Now that my rose petal soaps are dry, I'm going to carefully remove the clips and just trim off any excess part that didn't get soap dipped onto it or just any drips that I might have.